Hello guys, good evening. This is me, I'm Dr. Jayanti Ghosh. So today I have come up with the subject of prosthodontics. And prosthodontics is divided into three parts, that is complete denture, removable partial denture and fixed partial denture. So today I'll be discussing about complete denture, that's CD. And I'm focusing from the synopsis of Dental Pulse. You can also refer it from Dental Pulse, the recent edition. But I have just selected the important points and some points from your book, that is Manapalil. So you can refer it there also. So the important questions which may be asked are, the questions can be asked regarding the classification of soft palate, that is class 1, 2 and 3. Classification of lateral throat form, depending on, that is the retromylohyoid fossa, and House's classification of tongue size. Then Wright's classification of tongue positions. Surfaces of a CD, impression surface, which is also known as your intaglio surface. This is a very important surface. Then cameo surface. Your polished surface is also known as cameo surface. Occlusal surface. Residual ridge resorption. Then resorption pattern, how it is in maxilla and mandible. Mean ratio of the anterior maxillary residual ridge resorption to the anterior mandibular RRR, that is 1:4. This came in your Andhra Pradesh Combined Entrance Test 2015. Factors affecting residual ridge resorption. Residual ridge resorption is directly proportional to your damping effect factor, bone formation factor. So what is damping effect factor? You should refer it from John Joy Manapalil. Then removal of the undercuts, soft tissue. Then maxillary tori should be removed if it extends to the posterior. There was an important keynote to remember, that is maxillary tori should be removed if it extends to the posterior palatal seal. Second, interferes with speech. And third, causes poor denture stability. Impression procedures of maxilla and mandible. Primary and secondary stress bearing areas. Then your alveolo-lingual sulcus, importance of that, buccal shelf, retromolar pad, pterygomandibular raphe. Jaw relations in this, you need to know about protrusive movement, Christensen's phenomenon. Teardrop tracing is obtained by recording the chewing cycle. This came in your Madhya Pradesh Combined Interest Test. Then Silverman's closest speaking space, the values. Freeway space by Niswonger's method. So the name of the person who discovered freeway space is important. Increased vertical dimension results in cheek biting. This came in AIIMS 2012. Maxillary posterior occlusal repair should be parallel to the ala tragus line. Maxillary posterior occlusal rim should be parallel to the ala tragus line. The ala tragus line is also known as the Camper's line. So the another name of ala tragus line is very important. Please note it down. Leon Williams facial forms. The 4 types of facial forms of premolar is important. Relative lightness or darkness of color or brightness of an object is known as value. This came in MHPG Maharashtra postgraduate exam as well as Karnataka entrance exam 2016. Archon type articulators. The term Archon was given by Bergstrom, that came in AIIMS 2014. That is also an important question. Theories of occlusion. When lower teeth move over the upper teeth at an angle of 45 degrees to the occlusal plane, it follows conical theory. This was also a question in AIIMS. Then Hanau's factors of balanced occlusion is also known as Hanau's quint. It is also important. Hanau's quint. Vowel sounds like K, G and NG are used to check what? The options were freeway space, interference in palatal thickness, and vertical dimension on occlusion. The answer was have no effect on denture. That was a B option. Snowshoe effect. What is snowshoe effect? Ability of the denture to distribute forces over wide areas due to an increase in denture base area is called snowshoe effect. This came in Maharashtra postgraduate entrance test 2017. This is all which I could gather for today, guys. If you have any doubt regarding any topic of prosthodontics, please do comment in my description comment box. I'll be also attaching my notes, so do feel free to contact me in my mail ID or WhatsApp. So thank you and good night. Have a great day.